Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best garden carts in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Super Handy Utility Service Cart. We love this electric garden cart from Super Handy because it makes it easy to transport heavy loads and requires minimal physical effort. It can haul up to 1,000 pounds and hold up to 500 pounds in its bed. If you remove the side panels, this cart can be used as a flat. All of the controls, including the power switch and accelerator, are located within easy reach at the base of the handles. Plus, this cart can go forward or in reverse. The brushless motor system is powered by 1 or 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, which can last anywhere from 2 to 5 hours on a single charge. Unlike gasoline-powered models, this electric cart is quieter and doesn't produce any exhaust. The extra-large pneumatic tires provide a smooth ride on all types of terrain. Just note they tend to lose air pretty quickly. Another convenient feature is the dump function, which allows you to easily tilt and empty the bed. Number 9. Vivison Heavy-Duty Collapsible Folding Wagon. This Vivison Heavy-Duty Collapsible Folding Wagon is a great choice for those looking for a garden cart that folds for easy storage yet provides ample room for hauling yard waste, plants, or gardening supplies. It features 7-inch hard wheels with ball-bearing assembly for smooth movement, and its front axle is attached to a telescoping handle that swivels easily. While we wish that hand was a bit sturdier, we like that it and the rest of the cart conveniently fit inside a tote bag when not in use. While Vivison says the canvas bed holds up to 350 pounds, we would recommend spreading the weight over the entire bed, rather than carrying a single heavy object that might poke through the canvas. The canvas bottom does have a thin flat cushion that fits over it, providing a bit of protection and enabling use as a children's wagon. However, it was easy to feel the steel bars through the cushion, so using it for giving a kid anything more than a quick ride might be rather uncomfortable. Just for fun, we hauled around our cat because he jumped in and refused to get out, and he approved. Number 8. Black Plus Decker Collapsible Fabric Garden Cart. The Black Plus Decker Folding Garden Cart is an excellent option for users with limited storage space, but ample gardening needs. It's lightweight, durable, and holds up to 176 pounds. It folds down to just 7 inches thick for easy storage. The wagon's high-quality canvas is fitted on a collapsible steel frame, and it has solid tires that won't go flat, as well as 2 handy beverage holders. This collapsible cart is easy to expand with just a pull on its 2 end frames. Its handle telescopes out to 38 inches, allowing most users to pull it without bending over, and controls the front axle and wheels, making it easy to maneuver in tight spots. While we didn't test whether it would stand up to the manufacturer's claim of holding 176 pounds, we did load it with over 100 pounds, and it still pulled smoothly. Still, this is a lighter-duty cart that's not designed for carrying especially heavy or sharp objects, such as sharpshooter shovels or chainsaws with sharp blades. But if you're looking to transport standard gardening hand tools, plants, potting soil, and supplies, this is an excellent option. Number 7. Polar Trailer 10Q Theft Utility Cart. This Polar Trailer utility cart is a rugged general-purpose yard cart with a high-impact polyethylene tub that's designed not to rust, crack, or warp. Its 10 cubic foot bed provides ample space for moving gravel, firewood, garden tools, and yard debris like leaves and twigs. When we unboxed the Polar Trailer cart, the first thing we noticed was its extra-large 20-inch wheel, the largest, by far, on any cart we tested. They made the cart easy to maneuver, even when it was full, but we wish they were coated to prevent corrosion since we noticed a bit of rust after leaving the cart out in the rain. Still, so long as you store it in a garage or shed, this garden cart can haul hefty loads up to 400 pounds while remaining stable and well-balanced. Its leg supports are solid and sturdy, and its bar handle allows for a comfortable grip at a wide range of locations. Number 6. Gorilla Carts 4Q Theft Poly Garden Dump Cart. The Gorilla Carts Garden Dump Cart is an all-around top performer made to carry and dump soil, gravel, and mulch. The durable polyethylene bed won't rust and is also designed not to crack or warp. It also has 10-inch pneumatic tires that roll smoothly over rough ground and a padded handle grip that provides comfort and improved control while pulling. Plus, this heavy-duty cart comes at an attractive price point. We were happily surprised by how easy it was to assemble this gorilla cart. Start to finish, the process took about 15 minutes and only required a few basic tools, including a Phillips screwdriver, pliers, and an adjustable wrench. After loading it with bricks, charcoal, an umbrella, and several other outdoor living products to get close to the stated 600-pound capacity, we decided a more realistic weight limit would be half that, about 300 pounds. At around 300 pounds, it started to become challenging to maneuver the front wheel axle and guide the cart. Also, despite the quick release lever that unhooks the bed for dumping, you still have to physically lift the front of the bed to dump it. That's another reason not to pile in too much weight. Still, this gardening wagon can carry quite a bit, and we appreciate that its rust-proof bed can withstand accidental sprays from the hose or a quick afternoon storm. And for the price, this is an overall excellent light to mid-duty option. Number 5. Super Handy Electric Utility Wagon Pro. The Super Handy Garden Cart is a versatile self-propelled vehicle hauler for heavy loads. As a battery-powered utility cart with wheels, it's designed to tow loads up to 1,000 pounds and can hold up to 660 pounds in its bed. The side panels detach for use as a flat cart, and there's a handle to make dumping the contents easy. Its convenient hand controls include a power switch, accelerator trigger, and forward/reverse options. With its solid steel undercarriage and alloy steel sides and bottom, it was the heaviest cart we tested at 112 pounds. However, it's easy to assemble, and its 48-volt V lithium-ion battery packs still showed about 25% remaining power after 3.5 hours of near non-stop firewood hauling. Even when filled with 400 pounds of wood, it chugged along smoothly over rough terrain and up and down slopes. While the oversized pneumatic tires on this garden cart with wheels grip the turf without slipping, we prefer the convenience of solid rubber to avoid having to add air when the tires get low. Still, the Super Handy proved excellent for hauling heavy items that are too cumbersome to pull or push by hand. Number 4. Gorilla Cart's Steel Garden Cart. Sturdy metal construction and collapsible sides let this garden cart moonlight as a flatbed, making it all around a great pick for moving large materials like pieces of wood, bags of soil, landscaping rocks and edging, and garden fence posts. We used it to transport chopped firewood and large, Costco-sized bags of soil. We also loaded it up with a large shovel and spade and a bucket of smaller tools for some light-duty gardening work. Thanks to its large rubber wheels and solid turn radius, this cart utility wagon was easy to steer throughout the yard and garden. One thing to note on assembly: it took about 45 minutes, which was the longest of all the carts we tested. We found that using the tools listed in the directions, a screwdriver and wrench, made it quite challenging to put together. Using a drill and a ratchet instead made assembly easier. But once it's together, it is very useful, so it's worth putting in the time up front. Number 3. Best Choice Products Dual-Wheel Garden Cart. A cross between a garden cart and a traditional wheelbarrow, this two-wheel option is versatile and very easy to both push and pull. It's a great option if you want to buy one item that you can use for both equipment and soil or rock transportation. We appreciated that the handle was long enough to be comfortable for taller testers, and that the shape of the cart kept it from hitting our heels when pulling it behind. The large rubber wheels make it easy to move over various terrains, including going up and down mounds of soil, even when it's fully loaded up. We also loved how easy it was to dump over and completely empty. The construction of this wheelbarrow is solid, with durable materials that hold up well even with heavier loads. It feels reliable and well-built, making it perfect for various tasks, from moving soil and mulch to transporting construction materials. The dual-wheel feature provides great balance and stability, especially on uneven terrain. Unlike single-wheel wheelbarrows that can be a bit wobbly, this one remains steady, which makes moving large loads much easier. Number 2. Works Aero Cart 8-in-1 Yard Cart. It may be called a yard cart, but this workhorse does so much more than tote around your gloves and trowel. It's got 2 wheels and 8 functions, including a bag holder to make yard waste cleanup a breeze, a dolly for lifting and moving heavy items, a cylinder carrier, a potted plant strap, and a netted strap for carrying large rocks. And you can buy additional add-ons separately, including a snowplow and a firewood carrier. It wasn't our top choice for moving and dumping soil, and the basin slope isn't as helpful as a flatter wagon for carrying things upright. But it can do both of those things sufficiently and so much more. There's also a tub organizer you can buy for it, which would help optimize it further. Its versatility is what makes it well worth the splurge, especially if you're someone who likes to do a lot of yard work and landscaping yourself but need a little help in the strength department. It was engineered to make heavy loads feel lighter, and we definitely experienced that while carting around heavy materials. Plus, assembling it took all of 5 minutes, requiring no tools, so you definitely get the convenience that you'd expect for the price tag. Number 1. Gorilla Cart's Poly Garden Dump Cart. We found this cart to be the most versatile of the bunch, while also being one of the easiest to pull and maneuver around the yard. The shape of the basin, with its flat bottom and sloped sides, makes it useful for carrying around both hard items, like tools and pots, and loose items, like a load of compost. The steering system, wheel size and quality, and high clearance made it easy to maneuver around the yard and back it into the exact spots where we needed it. It handles really well over humps of dirt, grassy areas, and even muddy spots in the yard. Its high weight capacity also makes it great for moving very dense items, such as rocks. The dump feature is really useful, though we did have some trouble with the wheels moving and getting tangled in one another when using it. The whole bottom moves and basically gets shorter as the basin tilts to dump. After a few times, though, we got better at dumping more efficiently and preventing them from happening. A quick note on assembly: 2 people are better than 1. The instructions weren't complex, but we found some steps to be difficult without a second set of hands.